How to fix document editor not available in Jasper. The document editor is only available to users in the free trial or subscribe to the boss mode plan. If you are subscribed to the starter plan and previously had access to the document editor in your free trial, you no longer have access to the document editor and will need to upgrade to boss mode if you want to continue using it. You can check which plan you are subscribed to in your app under subscriptions at https://app.jasper.ai/setting/billing. Prior to January 24, 2023, Jasper's plan options were starter and boss mode. Please note that if you join Jasper after this date, you will only have the option to join our freemium plan or boss mode. All prior starter plan users have been grandfathered in.